Hello YouTube, Supalette here again for another gaming video. I'm gonna play Risk of Rain today. It's one of my probably all-time favorite games. I picked it up a couple years ago and I have just turned into a complete addict and I just wanted to share it, to be honest. And today I felt like playing it, so that's why today's video is Risk of Rain. It's definitely not as funny of a game as Broforce, but it is a good game. I have a lot of the stuff unlocked, almost everything in fact, but I think what I'm going to do for this video is actually do a vanilla playthrough with just no additional artifacts or anything. Just so you can see what a real game of Risk of Rain looks like, and hopefully it's not a complete disaster. There's a good chance that this video will be broken into a couple different episodes, because otherwise it will most likely end up being a very long video. This is one of those games that you can't pause and save halfway through. You go until you die, and when you die, that's it. You're dead. You don't have any extra lives. You can't gain men. So it definitely makes it a very challenging game, but very rewarding in that aspect. So hopefully you enjoy it. I know I will. Because I enjoy everything. I'm playing Engineer. It's one of my favorite characters, actually, because he can shoot missiles and kill stuff from far away. Each level, the whole point is to find this teleporter, and then when you do, you have 90 seconds to survive the boss and all the mobs that are going to pop, because they do crazy. And usually elites will spawn at this point as well, but because I'm only a minute and a half in, they are giving me a bit of a break and giving me some easy mobs. Monsters, whatever you want to call them. I definitely feel like if you haven't tried this game and you think that you might like this game after watching this video, it is absolutely worth picking up. The thing that's really neat is you can kind of just pick it up, play it for a bit, and then just put it down, walk away, you're done. You don't have to invest too much time, or you can invest time if you want. For me, one thing that I always like to do is just keep going back and playing previous levels and just getting stronger and stronger and stronger, which usually ends up making my game sessions for this game over an hour long, easy. So it just depends on what you feel like you're into for dedication. At least for gameplay anyway. And I apologize if I don't talk very much at some points, because I do end up needing to concentrate. Takes some brain power, apparently. So each item has different bonuses. Like that one gives me extra damage to healthy mobs. The rocket pack makes it so I can jump just a little bit higher. And the tooth that I have down there in the corner is heals me after kills. Gonna run a little faster. Pew pew! I'm so fast! And I like to only hit the shrines once on the first level, just because you end up wasting so much money on them. They aren't guaranteed to give you an item, so I don't want to risk losing all my money, because it's actually hard to gain money in this game. So that's my excuse. Ah, yes. Ooh, a use item. And health. I don't really know what that use item does. It's called Leeching Seed. I think it heals you when you're attacking mobs, but I'm not entirely sure. So with this game, I don't know if I mentioned, every 5 minutes the difficulty goes up. So it gets a little bit harder the longer you play it, which is also why it makes for such a challenging and rewarding game at the same time. And makes for sometimes very short games. You end up dying really fast sometimes. And that's usually me. I usually die pretty quick. Oh, sweet. So heal when I get hit, and then the other one actually gives me a spare life, which I know I said you don't get spare ones, but there are special rare items you can get that make you cheat death, as it were. Oh shoot, put that turret up in the wrong spot. It's up on the roof. Die! Just want my chest. Boo. Gotta go back up and grab that one. There. Shoot you guys. Quite a bit of mobs now. I better hurry up. Else I'm gonna end up making this game too tough. I don't want that. I don't want it too hard. I just want to have some fun today. Come down here and grab this. Have enough money. Okay. There's the teleporter. Oh, my little guy dropped some food. Some mobs down there. I'm scared. I got him! Killed Zip-Ups. Now I just have to survive. Just a few more seconds. The turrets are never ready on time. I lost my drone. No! Drone! I need you! Sad stuff. Sad stuff. This leeching seems really useful. left. 23 mobs left. Should have grabbed the hoof. And then I would have run fast. Can't reach from here. Oh, 10 minutes in already. It's long. My personal preference is to spend about 5 minutes per level, especially on the first couple. You don't want to spend too long because it gets so hard. So hard. Though you can't really tell from this particular playthrough. It seems fairly easy. I think maybe I just make it look that way. I'm just that good. No, I'm kidding. I'm really not. But I do have fun, so that's important. Yeah, frost relic. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly check for some treasure chests over this way, because I know there's usually some stuff over here. And then I'm gonna go to the next level. Come on, little man. We've got a little guy following me. He's so cool. He drops little, like, globs of buffs. So sometimes he'll make it so I can run fast. Sometimes he'll drop a little healing one, which is really useful. 200? No, I don't think so. Is there anything down here? No. Nothing worth going down there for. Alright, I'm gonna beat this level, and then we'll take a break, because otherwise, like I said, this video will be way too long! And I think, what am I at? 11 minutes of gameplay? That's pretty long. I don't know. I'm just doing what I do. Playing games. Off we go. Oh, don't want to miss this one. Oh, I like that one. It's a good item I just got. Makes it so when my health is really low, I actually stop time and everybody freezes and then I can kill everybody. Hopefully. One would hope. Okay. Okay, YouTube. We'll take a break and come back for episode 2 for a further view of this game's playthrough. If you like this video, hit like. If you didn't like the video, hit dislike, which hopefully you didn't dislike the video. And subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon!